Hey guys, it's Mrs. Sears
And Mrs. Norton.
and we're here to show you how to do this month's craft, which is the band book magnet.
Your bag with the craft in it will contain all the supplies you need for the project. You will have pages of copies of band books. You will have a little cup with a lid on it. Inside is the glue you'll use. We gave you a paintbrush to apply the glue. This piece of glass will be the main part of your magnet. And this is the actual magnet, which you will adhere to the back of your project.
Okay, the first step to completing your band book magnet is to choose a band book page and look for a quote to display on your magnet. Mrs. Norton has copies of the band books, which are in your baggie that was given to you. You're going to look through for any words that you want to highlight on your magnet. So for example, if you wanted the word
Famous, you're famous.
Mrs. Norton is going to put her glass piece over those words and preview what it looks like. The second step is to lay your glass piece over your chosen quote, trace around it, and cut along your trace lines. Mrs. Norton has picked her highlighted passage, and now she's tracing the glass piece. When she's done, you'll see the circle, and that's what's going to be highlighted in her magnet. She will then cut out her circle. After you have your cut book piece, you're then going to glue it using the cup provided and attach to your glass piece and let dry. Mrs. Norton has her cut piece, and now she's taking the glue provided to adhere it to the glass piece. This is clear glue, so it will dry clear once you're done your project. Okay, now we're just gonna let it dry. Mrs. Norton is now waiting for her glass piece to dry. Now on to step number 4. Once dry, peel white back off magnet strip provided. It will be sticky, and then you can attach it to your glass piece. And then we're done. So we're gonna watch Miss Norton pull off the white piece on her magnet.
Hopefully.
Looks like it may be a little tricky, so just keep playing with it. She's then going to attach it.
Okay, let's see if it works. Voila!